Hi, I'm Sasha Sigan from PC Mag, and this is my unboxing of the Microsoft Surface Duo. The Surface Duo, a dual-screened Android phablet from Microsoft, is probably the craziest mobile concept of the year. And as with all of my unboxings, I have not opened the box yet. I don't know what's inside. You're going to get to see it as I see it. So let's check it out. So first of all, this is a reviewer's kit. This isn't the retail packaging. This is what reviewers get as they're reviewing the device. So let's open the basic box and we'll see what's inside. It opens like wings. Oh, and here is the Microsoft branded Surface Duo box. Now this might be the retail packaging. Or it might not. Still looks pretty fancy. Okay, it's definitely not the retail packaging. My reviewer's kit contains some promotional material here. The Surface Duo itself, and some Microsoft Surface earbuds, which I haven't tried out. Let's see what's in each of these boxes. I take the top off, and here's the Duo itself. Now you can see how slim this is. It really is a tiny folding booklet of a phablet. Here, let's get the protective cover off. And you can just see its shimmery white exterior and how it opens up into its two screens. What else is in the box? There's a Surface Duo bumper with some instructions on how to attach it. To see how to attach it, I need to check out a video. In any case, the bumper is going to make this expensive, fragile phablet, I guess, a little bit less fragile. There's also some instructions. What looks like a USB cable. Yep, USB-C cable. And the power adapter. In the Surface earbuds box, we've got the Surface earbuds, which of course have their charging case. Now these things have a really large outside face. It's going to be really interesting to see how these look in my ears. Okay, well how do you think these things look? I just took the Surface earbuds and I put them in my ears. They're certainly not low-key. They're also telling me they're ready to pair pretty loudly. Now you're supposed to scan a QR code to set up your earbuds, and then pick the right size ear tip, and then of course charge them via USB. So this is the Surface Duo. Is it worth $1,400? I'm not sure yet. I haven't used it. But look at this beautiful manufacturing. Look at how slim it is, and it feels very high quality. I'm really looking forward to turning it on, checking it out, and seeing how it works. This is Sasha Sigan from PCMag.com.